Hi guys, today we've got here Samsung Galaxy M55 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. At first, enroll the list of all apps and enter settings. Then find and select accounts and backup, and here click on backup data under Google Drive. Mark everything that you want to backup, so in my case it's everything like photos and videos, and contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data along with messages. So let me tap on confirm and let me allow the access to all photos, mark manage backup, and now as you can see backup is active and your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. However, if you want to backup right now, just click on backup now. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.